Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts on Amazon. This is incredibly useful if you manage multiple Amazon accounts, perhaps one for personal shopping and another for business purchases, or if you share a device with family members who each have their own accounts. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign in with your credentials. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Switch Accounts. Now you'll see a list of accounts that are already linked to your device. Simply click on the account you want to switch to, and Amazon will instantly switch you over. It's that straightforward, allowing you to access different accounts without having to log out and log back in each time. Alternatively, if you want to add more accounts to make switching even easier in the future, click Manage Accounts from the same drop-down menu. This will take you to a page where you can view all the accounts currently saved on your device. Here, look for the option that says Add Account and click on it. You'll then be prompted to enter the email and password for the new account you wish to add. Once you've entered these details, the account will be saved, making it available for quick switching whenever you need it. This feature is particularly handy for households where multiple people use the same computer or tablet to shop on Amazon, as it eliminates the need to constantly log in and out. It also helps keep your shopping history, wish lists, and recommendations separate and organized according to each account. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to switch between accounts on Amazon and how to add new accounts for easy access. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.